Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've done like a promotional videos about discounts and sale prices, but looks like this one is really hard for me not to do it. So, as you see here, this is the Milwaukee, the M12. This is what has like price is $199, and this one it shows right here. It's like M12 fuel. 12 volt lithium-ion brushless cordless 4-in-1 installation, 3/8-inch dual driver kit with 4 tool heads. So you can see right here. So for those of you guys don't want to carry a lot of tools, you can use 4 different heads right here, and for whichever type of work that you're working on, right angle attachment, offset attachment, quarter hex attachment, and also this one right here, a metal chuck attachment, right? So regular price $199, and as you can see right here, it does come with a free gift as we speak. And I did try to click on the offer right here for the battery, and it's this is a 5-amp battery, which is awesome. I think the regular price is about over 100, and together you can get this, and it come out to be still $199. And I believe this one is hackable, so meaning that for example, if I click it on here, and then you're gonna see the breakdown of the tool itself. So for the set right here, you can see it's $124.53, and for the battery alone itself, it's the regular price is $119, and but with this combinations, it's kind of reduced to $74.47. So depending on what you want or what you need, so if you already have a battery, and then you can return the battery back. That's giving you, so that leaving you with only $124 for this whole set right here, which is awesome. Or vice versa. Or if you don't need this tool right here, and if you just only want to buy the battery, that is only $74, right? So, and with this with Home Depot, you have to click on, you cannot, you have to do the same thing. For example, the first item is pick up, then you got to do the second item as a pickup. So, for example, if I click onto delivery, it wouldn't let me or say something with an error right here. So, you got the same delivery or pickup option. So, one way or the other, you can't pick both, right? So here we got to click it back to pickup right here. So yeah, so I've done it before with Home Depot, and they don't. Nobody give you like a hard time. I guess they're recalculating the price and everything, so don't be afraid. So this is sometimes people call this a hack, but I don't know if it is or not. But again, if you're looking for if you're into Milwaukee and you have a lot of M12, and if you're looking for a deal, I think this is one of the best deals out there that you can get for this. But as you follow my channel, I'm more like a Richard fan with the lifetime warranty. So, but yeah, other than that, thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, if you guys run into any issue with buying this or returning it or trying to do the hack, and then if the Home Depot employees give me a hard time, I would like to hear it. I want to know, But as for me, I've never had any issue with any of the employees there. I can just buy one, return the other, have no issue, and they give me the credit that it should be, because all the breakdowns are here already, and probably going to show it on your invoice as well too. So there shouldn't be an issue, but if there is, I would like to know. All right, but other than that, thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.